Hi everybody, this is Roxy, and I am selling some cookbook, kitchen recipe slash whatever you want it to be, ephemera packs. So there's about 115 pieces to this kit. It's going to be PayPal, friends and family only, or Venmo, and it's going to be first come, first serve. So here we go. You will first get these pages to kind of fill your book. They're going to be a spread from an S&H green stamp book. And the book has all these pages that have different pictures and stuff. So that's going to be kind of random what you get. But you'll for sure get one of those. You'll get 3 pages from the Marjorie Morningstar book. I just thought it was kind of a cool name. Kind of something fun. And these are really cool construction paper pages. A friend of mine sells, her husband came across like boxes of this. And she used it for like printing out state park stamps kind of. And they really printed cool. So I threw a couple of those, like 2 folios of those. And these are from a recipe book, so you can write your own recipes out. This is a copy of some vintage wallpaper I have. It's on like a really nice linen. So it's kind of got the feel of wallpaper, which is fun. And I thought this was kind of kitchen-y out of the book I have. Oops. And then you get a page, 3 pages from an old Betty Crocker, my favorite book of all time. And these are going to be random, but each one has a cool subject page with a fun illustration. And most of them have 4-color and then just a bunch of recipes. And then you'll get, this will either match it or it won't. I kind of was random with that. But this is just a nice, you could use this to make some tags out of it, or, you know, fold it for a folio, make pockets out of it. Just kind of something fun. And then you get a spread from, what cookbook was this? I think this was a Better Homes and Garden Pie and Cake book. Yeah, Better Homes and Garden Pie and Cake book. So you got some really nice recipes. And then you will get 3 folios from, I think this is the 1957 General Store Ledger. It's really cool. They sold like any kind of livestock products and groceries. It's a really old, cool book. So that's your kind of the folios and base for your book and some decoration. This paper comes in other colors too, so it's pretty cool. So there's your base with some insert type things. Then you'll get 3 yards of this nice cotton yarn that I found at Dollar Tree. It's a really pretty sage green. And here's the goodies. You get 2 vintage cotton flags. The cotton's vintage, not the paper clips. And then some S&H stamps. Each kit has the same amount of stamps. I think you get, 10 of those. I think 10 of those. And then 10 of those. I should have remembered that. It was easy. And you get some coupons, some vintage coupons. And these are going to be just like random. You know, like this is from probably a cake mix or something. And I think there's another coupon in here. Yeah, it's up there. And then a ration card, or ration ticket for dairy. And this is all my vintage stash and things that I've been accumulating for the past probably 35 years. So you'll also get 2 personal recipe cards, not from me, but from my stash. You'll get an old gold medal. This is like from the early 1900s when it was still Washburn Company. And then just one of these that, again, from my stash. You know how I do this myself. Cut something out, put on a card. And 2 of the Yoli bean cards I made. These will vary as far as the patterns. And then some fun colored index cards and 2 Michaels cards. Okay. Then you get a yo-yo. These are random and are different for each one. And then I cut out some fun Cricut images that have to do with cooking. So you have toast and butter, BFFs, pretty little oven mitt, just kind of a fun little decoration. Another couple, I love their legs. And then a cupcake and an old-fashioned telephone. Thought that'd be kind of just fun to decorate with. And of course you get a cellophane bag with that. Then these are from some of the cards from my playing card stash. They're all vintage. And it really doesn't matter what's on the other side. Cute little holly hobby. I love these 2 little kids. This is the only, like, food-wise, kitchen-y one I have. But I am working on that. These are set. And then the owl. So that's from the first pocket. From the second pocket, you will get a stash of my vintage recipe cards. And these are all the same for every kit. Get 2 of these. I love that one. That's really pretty for Thanksgiving. This one's cute. These are definitely primitive style. Oh, I got another one of those. I should put that in the front. And then 2 of these were actually my recipe cards when I moved out. My mom bought a huge set. Okay, so there's that. Some more ration coupons for ice. Can you imagine? And this is transfer tickets for the bus where my hubby grew up. And I just came across them at a sale. And then another coupon, 7 cents. And these are really cool recipe cards. Let's get one of those. Like a guest check. And then a Michael's just a note card. And some more recipe cards. I tried to vary these as much as I could for each one. Then some more goodies. And all of it's vintage except for, well, the Michaels cards. These are old tickets. You get 10 total. And this is a strip from border strip from the wallpaper book. I couldn't think of it. And this is a authentic Poppin' Fresh pie ticket. And then I threw this in. Babsy Barnes made a book for me, and she used one of these. And I'm going to show you how she used it when I get done showing this, because it's pretty clever. Then you get a full sheet of green stamps that are pasted on. Again, this is a folio, so you get actually 4 of these in the kit. And then another, this is like a card tally score, but you can use it for a tag or whatever. Another tally score kind of thing. But it's just a nice little card. Another order form. And then this is just kind of a cool graph paper. You know, if you don't like the wording or whatever, you can just cut that off or washi over it. And then finally a envelope that I coffee stained. And of course, my 3-pocket folio. This you could tape into your book. You can unfold it, and I think it's like 13 by 17 when it opens up. It's huge, and it's from 1937. It's pretty cool. And this again is customers and what they order or what they owe. So that's my kit, and let me get Babsy's book so I can show you that. So here's how Babsy used one of her window box, food box. Just really awesome. She's so talented. It's very cool. But you can just make a little window for, you know, anything. A picture, one of the cards. Put that back there. So, I hope you enjoy this, and if you have any questions, let me know down below. It is first come, first serve, so whatever emails get to me first will be the ones that, you know, and pay first. Those will be the ones who get one of the kits. And I have several, so if it is at night, I still will go in order of the emails that I receive. And if it's at night, I will wake up and I will go first come, first serve. So thanks for watching. I hope you enjoy it. And talk to you later. Bye.